Hello, little learners. Welcome back to Letter of the Day. Today's special letter is D. Can you say it with me? D. Great job. Let's learn the sound, some words, and how to write it. D makes the sound D, 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 like a little drum beat. Tap your hand like a drum, D, D, D. Say it with me, D, D, D. Awesome. D for dog. A dog says woof woof. D, D, dog. D for duck. A duck says quack quack. D, D, duck. D for doll. Kids love to play with a doll. D, D, doll. D for drum. Bang the drum. D, D, drum. D for door. Open the door. D, D, door. D for dinosaur. A big dinosaur. Roar. D, D, dinosaur. D for dolphin. D, D, dolphin jumps high above the water and spins before diving back in. D for deer. D, D, deer runs quickly through the dark forest to find its family. D for donkey. D, D, donkey carries the heavy bags slowly up the dusty road. D for dish. D, D, dish shines brightly after being washed with warm, soapy water. Let's learn how to write big D, capital D. Steps. Start at the top. Draw a straight line down. Go back to the top and make a big curve all the way to the bottom. Great, that's capital D. Now let's write small d. Steps. Make a small circle. From the top of the circle, draw a straight line down. Nice, that's small d. Let's sing a tiny D song. D says, D, D says, D. Every letter makes a sound. D says, D. Today we learned the letter D. We learned the sound, D, words like dog, duck, and drum, and we learned how to write big D and small d. Great job, kids. See you tomorrow with another letter of the day.